Mini Cooper S. A surprisingly practical performance car, the Mini Cooper S, with a starting price around £35,000, strikes an unusual balance. It's a genuinely fun-to-drive car that doesn't completely sacrifice daily usability. This isn't a track-focused machine requiring constant maintenance or brutal compromises in comfort. Instead, it delivers spirited performance without becoming impractical for everyday life. The appeal of a pocket rocket, many performance cars lean too hard into either impracticality or outright aggression, making them unsuitable for routine tasks like commuting or grocery runs. The Cooper S stands out by offering over 200 horsepower in a compact, relatively efficient package. This makes it engaging on twisty roads, yet still manageable for daily driving. The author highlights the appeal of this blend, noting that even after limited testing, it's among the least compromised, fun cars they've used as a daily driver. The car's power delivery is described as punchy and engaging, without being overly intimidating or punishing in fuel economy. Beyond the numbers, why this matters: the Mini Cooper S fills a niche for drivers who want excitement without the headaches of more extreme performance vehicles. The rise in popularity of hot hatches like this reflects a broader trend. People want cars that can double as weekend toys and reliable transportation. The automotive market has seen a shift towards vehicles that prioritize both enjoyment and practicality. This is partly due to increasing fuel costs, stricter emissions standards, and a growing desire for cars that don't demand constant attention or specialized maintenance. A promising first impression, the author's enthusiasm is clear, even after just a few drives. They've intentionally planned a longer, more scenic route to Solihull specifically because they want to spend more time behind the wheel. This speaks volumes about the car's character. It's not just capable, it's genuinely enjoyable to drive. A full, in-depth review is promised, but the initial impression is overwhelmingly positive. The Cooper S appears to be a well-executed example of the enduring formula. Take a mainstream hatchback and inject it with enough power to make it exciting, without ruining its everyday usefulness. In essence, the Mini Cooper S delivers a compelling blend of performance and practicality, making it a surprisingly effective choice for drivers who want a bit of fun in their daily commute.